Happy Pride, everyone! It's Mama Does Nails, and welcome back to my channel. So yes, guys, it's a new month. It's Pride. It's June. It's Madam Glam's new collection, the House of Colour. And I think it's perfect, especially being because it's Pride, it's summer. Let's get into this because, oh, look at the colours I chose. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, I'm not going to lie, this is a collection that is worth getting. Now, sometimes you can just, no, this collection, this whole collection is worth getting. And there are 50% discount codes literally going across the screen. So you can grab yours now. And I just want to take a little moment to look at the new box, the new packaging. Now, Madam Glam is very big on recycling. And honestly, we all have to because we need to save the world. And what I love is that this box is fully recyclable. The sponge inside, I recycle and use for art. So, you know, I'm happy. Anyway, guys, we're going to get into this video now because we need to look at these colors from the House of Color. How absolutely gorgeous are all those colors? Absolutely stunning. And if you get this collection during this 2-day shopping event, you can save yourself 50% using any of the discount codes you see on the screen. I'm just using my Madam Glam buffer to just take that shine off my tips before I swatch the 4 colors that I got. And I'm also going to take this opportunity to show you a new product. Yes, a dust brush. Now, guys, this is different. I love it. You would think, what would a dust brush be without a handle? You don't need it. I love the divots. This diamond divot means you can actually put all 5 of your, 4 fingers and a thumb, and literally the support. I'm doing it now. And like, it's every last bit of brush dust will be brushed off. Anyway, guys, this dust brush is also available from Madam Glam. Again, you can save 50% off this. Now, as I said, the shopping event is 2 days, the 13th and the 14th. So, you know, if you take a day to look, then definitely check out the next day. No joke. So anyway, guys, we're going to get into the colors that I chose. And first of all, you're sublime. You are sublime. You all are sublime. I'm sublime. You're sublime. This gel polish is sublime. And it's green. And I needed it. And I don't think I have a green like this from Madam Glam. So, you know, literally, you are so welcome to the family. And it's perfect for my Pride set. So I do use the 4 colors today. I'm swatching, and I'm going to add another 3 because I need 7 colors for my design. So the second color is the Star. OMG. The Star is gorgeous, and you know, it's everything you need in a yellow. Then I got Live Colourfully, and this looks like a burnt orange, but honestly, it's so rich. It's a rich orange, and I think it'll be perfect for any skin tone. And last but not certainly the least, Pink Madness. Pink Madness is everything I love about pink. So I'm using my foil gel, and that was from the Madam Glam Advent Calendar, because now on top of that perfect white, also from Madam Glam, I want to use some of this magic, this rainbow foil. You can see that. Tell me that's not Pride. Yes, This is all about that. It's a celebration, pride of colour, life, vibrancy. I'll just tell you a little bit about what Madam Glam are saying. Okay, by allowing yourself to be vulnerable and receptive to your feelings, you can open up to the healing power of colours and use them to connect with your inner wisdom, designed to make you feel confident, powerful, and ready to take on the world with shades inspired by the rich colours of pride. The mystical energy of tarot cards, the cosmic influence of astrology, and the healing power of crystals. House of Colour is a celebration of self-expression and individuality. Let your nails speak your truth. Yes, I live through my nails, definitely. And obviously, let's not forget, Madam Glam is vegan, free, vegan, cruelty-free, 21 free, and palm oil free. That's the formula. That's literally the formula. All the ingredients that you need for healthy nails. So definitely, guys, if you are looking for the perfect collection this summer, then I think the House of Colour is exactly what you need. Anyway, guys, following the House of Colour theme, I had this striping tape. I can't remember where I got it from. It's literally the only one I have that has glitter and it's rainbow. Perfect. So that's what I'm going to use. I have put some top coat down on top of that foil, sealed it all in. And because the top coat is a no wipe, it means this technically should be able to stick. But let me tell you how I got on that struggle bus at the beginning of 12:15. And I was on that bus for a while. Now, I love you, striping tape. Like, you are so versatile. You really help, anybody in any situation, but you were actually doing the most. And, sticky things don't like sticky layers. And I was so close to going in with some more foil gel glue, but it started to work. I rubbed her in and we were now cooking with, yes, gas. That's right, Raven, cooking with gas. So I'm using this striping tape because it's got the rainbow. It gives me my definition, my border, and it's perfect for what I'm about to start doing, because we are going to start doing the art. And I have sped it up for you guys. So I'll just let you watch and I'll come back in. So guys, as you can see, I did not use any kind of order. I used the colors in the way that spoke to me. I didn't do it in the order of the rainbow, because I felt like, because this was Pride, because we have to love everyone for who they are and how they choose to live, I thought, I'm not doing the rainbow as everyone might expect to see it. I'm going to put it across the nails, how I feel, how it makes me happy. And that's literally why I did it the way I did it. And I sugared it with some glitter that I got from my craft store. And I'm using that brush to brush off all that excess glitter. And it's absolutely gorgeous. Now, guys, there's something else. Wait for it. Just wait for it. It's coming. More shopping. Yes. Madam Glam do sell UV gloves now, because you need it. You need it. We spend so much time in the lamp. We need the UV gloves. It will help to protect your skin. Let me tell you what it says on that packaging right there, because I have to read it for you. You know, it's something that's needed, especially because Madam Glam do sell gel polish. They sell builder gel and polygel, and all these things need to go in the lamp. And this way, it says on the package, you can keep your nails beautiful and protect your skin from any influence under the UV light. So again, guys, it's something else to add into your shopping basket during the 2 days, and you can actually pick up a few, because you're going to get 50% off. Now, I'm just showing you, it's not a full like glove going all the way up to your elbow. I did have it on the wrong hand, I believe, because it was a bit twisted. So that's not the glove, that is me, because I actually done these nails on the nail stand, as you saw, and then I have some peel off base coat on and I've put them on. So anyway, guys, we're going to get to the part that you love, the bling part. And again, I will speed up and shh. So now everything's done. I am going to hydrate my cuticles again. And this is if, you know, you were doing a full prep. Remember, I used peel off base coat. So this is, you know, it's used for whenever you need to, you know, hydrate your cuticles. But after you've finished doing your nails, get your Harmony cuticle oil out and just give your cuticles some oil treatment. It's absolutely gorgeous. It smells divine. And you can also get them from the Madam Glam website. Something else to save 50% on. I'm just saying. Please, 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 guys, come on. Look at the nails. OMG. So, you know, I just used some rhinestones that I got from, I think, Shen. And I've been wanting to do this sort of set. I still need to do it again, like using acrylic. But I've wanted to do this set and match the bling with the color. And, you know, I was living my best fantasy while celebrating Pride and the 2-day shopping event Madam Glam are having the 13th and the 14th of June. So guys, like I have showed you several Madam Glam products. We have used some gel polish, we've used the buffer, we've used the dust brush, we've even used some cuticle oil and UV gloves, like so many products. And honestly, like the quality, you will be laughing. So please feel free to use and share the 50% discount codes, guys. It's only for 2 days and then it goes back to 30. So I'm going to let you just watch the rest of the video. These are the swatches. The colors are so vibrant. I love this collection and I am so happy with the colors that I chose. If you get the whole collection, you will not regret it. I'm Mama Does Nails and I'm out. Please enjoy the rest of the video. Stay tuned till the end because, you know, we have to go under the blue light. Yes, we do. Mwah, 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 mwah. Love you all and happy Pride.